Yo, what is up, everybody? It is Sylvie here with the Miami Sylveons, giving you guys week 2 of the GPL. We are going to be going and challenge our second opponent for this season. And we got an interesting team that we actually constantly changed. It was something completely different. We ran more than one setup. But we're actually running something very, very, very surprising this week. We are still running Dragon Dance Flapple, but we are running Substitute. We need to make sure Lapras gets its Gmax baited out, and we need to outlive it. Because I'm pretty sure we can tear up in the late game and sweep with Flopple. And if Ditto does come and comes into Flapple, I'm pretty sure Togekiss can just come in and ruin Flapple. Flapple can't hurt Togekiss. Because Outrage and Grab Apple will do nothing. So, yeah. And then we got Max Speed, Max Attack, Adamant Nature, of course. The Life Orb and Hustle ability, so our G-Max attacks are going to hit pretty hard. And since they do not miss, it doesn't matter with the accuracy. Next up, we got Celestic the Togekiss with the Choice Scarf, Serene Grace, Air Slash, rocking Aura Sphere over Ancient Power with Dazzling Gleam Flamethrower, with Max Special Attack, Max Speed, Negative Attack Nature with the rest in Spadaf. Because we want to make sure that we are going to live any attacks. We want to make sure we can kill Hydreigon, because Hydreigon is an issue. We want to be in here just in case Flapple gets transformed into. Yeah. Next up, we got Who's Cap Guy the Mew. This is going to be the Mew the entire season. Or the name for the Mew, really. But we got the Culver Berry just so we can live a Hydreigon, Dark Pulse, or a Crunch. And then we can play Rough It in the Face. So, we also got Psychic Fangs for Lapras to break its screens. And then we got some hazards with Spikes and Stealth Rock so we can kind of whittle down the team later for Flapple or Togekiss and or Lucario to sweep. With Max Attack, Max Speed, we actually can run. We can actually not run Max Attack, but I think the only way player will kill. Maybe. I haven't tested that fully yet. I have sort of, just not fully. But yeah. Next up, we got Pharaoh, the Lucario with the Choice Band Justified, just to come in on a Hydreigon and outspeed potentially if it is not Scarf. But if it is, we are actually a little dead, but we do have close combat just because we can switch in on the Justified, on the Crunch, or the Dark Pulse and take an attack boost. Bullet Punch, Close Combat, Poison Jab, Earthquake. Now, Poison Jab is a really interesting choice because looking at Professor's team like here, it's really hard to do much, and Poison Jab actually has an effect to potentially poison, which might be some extra chip damage. I do not think Turtonator's coming this week, but we might see it very soon. Yeah. Next up, we got Big Bug, potentially our lead for this matchup. Sticky Web, very hard for Professor to get rid of this besides Defog, and if he goes for Defog, we can just reset it. With Energy Ball, Volt Switch, Bug Buzz, just some standard attacking moves just to hit some damage. We are Scarfed, so we can potentially outspeed the Hydreigon if it comes in and land a hit. Next up, we got the meme Dust Noir. This is a meme this week. With the leftovers Frisk, Memento, Destiny Ball, and Shadow Ball Haze. Haze and with potential setup he could possibly do, just in case we might live. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and challenge Professor Chaos and get this in. Let us challenge Professor Chaos. Oh, wait. We're going to challenge him right now. We could lose, but potentially we could win. Alright. We shall wait on Professor Chaos. Meanwhile, we'll get a Professor Chaos. We're going to think about his potential matchups. I'm pretty sure he might lead Lapras or Caparaja. If either of them come, I wouldn't expect Ditto to come because he knows I might just completely just not run anything for Ditto to copy. My ideal strategy for this week was to have Ditto copy a Dusknoir with no moves to attack with. Then which like Dusknoir needs something to hit some stab damage, fight whatever it could possibly hit, which really matters in this time. But we shall see. We shall see. Let us check in with Professor Chaos and see how he is doing. I was actually thinking of running quite a few sets, but we will be back when we have Professor Chaos with us. Alrighty, guys, we are back with Professor Chaos in this battle, and we actually have some interesting brings on Professor's side. We actually have the Lapras, the Hydreigon, the Caparaja, the Manectric, the Cofagrigus. Some interesting brings, actually. And we gotta think, what do we want to lead? Because potentially we lead Galvantula, but potentially we don't. I think we have to lead Gal. Potentially we lead Galvantula. Potentially we leave Galvantula. Yeah, we just lead Galvantula. Yep. We are, yeah, the reason we actually did drop Inteleon actually for Linoon, because Linoon can potentially sweep with Belly Drum. But Linoon is actually a really fun mon, and Inteleon actually doesn't help me as much, and I needed to get rid of a water type. I kind of like Lapras, but yeah, we shall see. We are going to lead. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and lead Galvantula. I'm not going to change it. I really don't know if I want to lead Galvantula, but potentially that's the best thing for us to lead. Yeah, we shall see. Alrighty. The fateful battle is underway, and I'm actually very scared. Yeah, we shall see. Alrighty. Mm. See it. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and lead Galvantula. We're gonna lead Galvantula. I don't know what else to lead here. Besides maybe Mew or maybe Togekiss. That would have been fine. Well, I'm very, 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 very. Alrighty. We are going to see the leads for this battle. Very excited, very scared at the same time. Not gonna lie. Big bug. Manetric lead. Thought so. Thought so. Actually thought so. Now is it Scarp? Wait, I outsped it? Wait. Um, we gotta think. What to go into? Hmm. Yeah, this is a really hard decision to think what I want to switch to because Manetric, I was not expecting a Manetric lead, but I have a feeling he might be Specs. Bros. Yeah, I was expecting Toxic or Copper. I didn't think Manetric would lead, but it takes care of this. I need to get, like, uh, Dusk Noir. Dusk. Wait, do we? Oh, I'm pretty sure we. What is what does Manetric get? Does Manetric actually get? Let me look this up real quick. Actually, hmm. Dusk Noir. Dusk Noir. Mm, he might switch. He actually might switch, and I actually hope he does. But mm, mm, hard choice. I think we go for Shadow Ball, but I could be wrong. That's why I keep unclicking. Mm-hmm. We gotta think. I told you this was a meme set, but we are running Memento, which is I'm hoping he doesn't switch because if he switches, I should have gone for Memento. Uh, uh, bro, this is a hard choice. Actually, a hard choice. I don't know if he's gonna swim. Oh my god, it's so stressful. Oh my god, we have the defense to live a crunch. What do we actually go for? I can't go into Flapple until he goes into I can't go into Flapple. I mean, I could go into Flapple actually. Manetric doesn't hurt Flapple unless it actually road I so I'm pretty sure it does though. So yeah, ooh, God, this is actually God, it's stressful as hell. I think we go for No, wait, nah, we go for. No, he went for that. Okay, that's fine. What does Wheezing get? I need to look this up. Wheezing. We gotta think. What does Wheezing get? The Switch might be. No, it's not Togekiss. The Switch might be. Switch might be Lucario, this week in EQ, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Galarian, Wheezing. We'll just go. I need to look at Galarian Weezing's moveset real quick. Go to Cerebi real quick. Gotta think. Okay, Galarian Weezing. Okay, it does get some interesting stuff. I don't. Yep. Yeah, we made the right call. But does he switch here? Does he switch? He switches. I'm pretty sure he switches. I'm 100% for sure he switches. Uh, I don't want to go for close combat and end up. I don't want to go. I don't want to go for this and Hydreigon come in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does he switch or? Okay. I'm banded, so it's just like I'm pretty sure Earthquake kills, but it's just like close combat kills Hydreigon. Nope, he didn't. Oh, oh god, yeah. How much does that do? How much is his Shadow Ball? His does 40. Leftover, he did 40. Okay, this is where we actually have to hit this. He can't. I'm pretty sure he wants to go for an attack. He can't hit me or he'll die. No. I can't go for Memento. What do I go for though? I had a feeling he was gonna go for Trick Room, but the thing is, oh, what do we go for? I don't have anything slow. This is so stressful. This is actually stressful. But we shall see. Trick Room is very, very. Oh my god. I don't think we live Hydreigon. I think we Memento. Hydreigon's going for a Dark Attack. But he's gonna think I'm gonna go to Lucario, so he's gonna go for an Earthquake. Actually, here's the thing. He knows Lucario has the justified ability, so he's gonna think I'm gonna go into it to take a Dark Pulse, and then he's just gonna go for Earthquake instead on Lucario on the switch in. So here he's literally just gonna switch out. Should be back to his Destiny. Destiny. we're doing pretty well actually. Not gonna lie. We shall see. Uh huh. Yeah. This is an interesting play, I believe. Yeah. Whatever he goes into is taking a Shadow Ball. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be Lapras. Oh, Kaparaja. Outspeed. Pretty sure I outspeed Kaparaja. His Kaparaja is supposed to be really slow. He's gonna go for Dark Pulse, probably. Uh, Colbert. You Hmm. What is the item? What does that thing have? Hmm. Mm, yeah, this is an interesting fight. The Destiny Bond thing was a really funny call. The Culver Berry Witch in that thing. What is he Volt Switcher gonna do? That's the real question. Yeah, yeah, he was playing the right. He was playing correctly. Yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see what he switches into because whatever it's going to be, it's probably going to be a High Dragon, which he's probably going for Dark Pulse again. So I'm just gonna switch into. No, I can't switch to Flapple. I still don't know the High Dragon's item. God, I've only seen. I haven't seen Lapras come in. I've seen every. I'm gonna go for Psychic Fangs. Weakness Pulse. Oh my god. Yeah, that actually tilts me. Not gonna lie. Yep, it's time to bring in. Or if Fear doesn't kill, I have to go Air Slash and hope I flinch because Tree Fitty? Oh my god, that name. I mean, yeah, here's the thing. Quite a bit of things would have, like, killed had they worked properly. But, things don't always work properly. But we shall see. Flapple has a chance to bring this back for us, outspeeding Lapras quite a bit. I'm pretty sure that's Ice Beam and Scald have been revealed to us.